Part of this project is the switchgear as well as the transformers are smart technology. A lot more automation versus the old aging infrastructure.
The relaying in this sub will help increase the reliability as opposed to the other sub where it had to have manual intervention, trucks rolling up, opening switches. This new sub is able to do that automatically.
The difference they should notice is they should have less momentary outages, less outages overall. Even in storm situations, we have the ability to do auto switching to keep our customers online.
This past summer, we saw an historic number of storms impacting communities throughout our service territory. But thanks to Ameren Missouri Smart Energy Plan, we were able to prevent more than 55,000 outages.
The opportunity for us to use Missouri-made equipment in this manner, it tells a great story of how we're supporting our communities and we're supporting job growth as well by using Avail systems.
This is Missouri equipment produced by Missourians for Missourians. It's something that we're very proud of as a company.
It is extremely exciting. I love getting to see it now. Like everything seeing on paper, it doesn't have the same effect as being able to see it built. And especially working through the construction with the construction team and working through any obstacles that came through it. Like it gives a lot more appreciation to see all of it put together and knowing all of the work that was gone into it.
This is a $6.5 million investment for 4,500 customers in the Horine and Pevely area. We're seeing a lot of residential growth as well as business and commercial growth in this area. So we're poised to have resilient, reliable energy for our customers currently and for our future customers.